They've been messing up with you?
Yeah. But what I'm gonna do,
Like take
I'm
pieces?
just gonna play and take pictures. That's what I'm doing now, just in case it does the same. So get up to my phone.
And then let it run.
Because I have the app that you can put the website.
Yeah, the same thing. The same thing. Go right to the phone right away. Yeah, I love it. Let's go, start it up.
The longer video, then you have to definitely get hold. If you download it to the phone, it costs it like in 35 minutes shorts. Straight to the cloud, it does it straight. 2 hours, 5 hours, whatever the video. Oh wow!
Keep going.
Wait!
Let's go, Mikey. Little base hit. Help yourself out.
Yeah, Mike. Mike, you got him right there. You could tie, Mike, if you want it. I know you want.
Let's go.
Go, Mike. Runners on second and third. We're down 3. Down 3. You do it, Mike. You do it.
Are you serious? What